Ayan guys, isa na namang successful ang nangyari sa concert ni Bamboo at Sarah G. Yan sa Legazpi. Ayan, sana mo kaya susunod na kanilang lilibutin. Inikot na ang buong Pilipinas. World tour na yan. Di ba galing sila ng Dubai? Ang galing naman. Ayan masayang pop stars.
Nag-enjoy pa kayo po. Maraming salamat.
I think in the beginning I was still in my head. I don't know why. Like watching everything, it took me a while to warm up. But once we hit that next year,
Thank you, Sarah.
Supported Ayan, duet nila. Ganun sa mayor, no?